In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to Xero. This step-by-step guide will help you efficiently link these platforms, enabling your business to streamline operations and improve financial tracking. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the Xero App Store. This is the hub where you'll find various apps that can improve your Xero experience. The App Store is designed to help you discover tools that can boost productivity, so it's a great starting point for integrating additional services like Square. Once you're on the Xero App Store homepage, look for the option to open it. You'll typically find this in prominent locations on the Xero website, labeled in a straightforward way to help you quickly get where you need to be. Click on Open Xero App Store to move forward in the process. Now that you're in, keep an eye out for the section titled Work Smarter and Do More with Apps. This section hosts a collection of apps designed to enhance your workflow by integrating seamlessly with Xero. Go ahead and click on this section. It's created to display relevant integrations and provide you with a smooth experience as you explore various apps. In the search bar, type in Highlight to locate apps relevant to payment solutions within the App Store. Searching is intuitive and quick, helping narrow down your results so you aren't overwhelmed with too many options. This search should direct you to the app you need to connect Square to your Xero account. Once your results populate, you'll see Square Payments come up. It's under the category for point-of-sale apps, making it perfect for businesses seeking an integrated payment solution. Click on Square Payments, Point of Sale. This will take you to a detailed page with more information about what the app can do and how it can benefit your business. On the Square Payments page, you'll notice a button that says Get this app. Press that to start the installation process. The app is designed to integrate smoothly, simplifying the way you handle transactions and track sales through Xero. After clicking Get this app, you'll likely need to follow some additional prompts to complete installation and authorization processes. This step ensures that your Square account is properly synced with Xero, allowing for real-time updates and streamlined transaction tracking. Fantastic job reaching this point. Now that Square is connected to Xero, your transactions will be automatically updated, enhancing your business's efficiency. This integration significantly aids in reducing manual data entry, minimizing errors, and providing you with more accurate financial insights. As you navigate this newly integrated environment, remember that both Square and Xero offer customer support should you have any questions or encounter any issues. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more valuable tutorials. Until next time, happy integrating! Bye!